Hello everyone, welcome back with Sketchup basic tutorials how to set and change dimensions on shape. Okay, first in here I will create a simple shape with these rectangle tools, and I will create the stuff from these points, move into here. Now if you want to set the dimensions, you can use these dimension tools, click and you can select these lines, move into here. You also can select stuff from these points into this point. Okay, now if you want to change these shape dimensions, you can use move tools. You can click this icon move, like I will change in here. Okay, I will move into this point 63 and it will become 2400. Okay, you also can change in here, like I will move from this point into here 49, press enter. It will be changed into 1400. So if you want to set dimension, you can use these tools, dimensions. And if you want to change dimension in these shapes, you can use move tools. Okay, that's it for SketchUp basic tutorials. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.